Ben from AGP Turbo. I'm one of the owners here at AGP. We've been in the turbo industry for over 20 years. We've got a new product that we've been working on here for a little while. This is what, well, we actually don't even know what we're going to call it yet, but this is an upgrade for the 6.7 pickup truck turbos, Cummins by the way. And what this is a 63 millimeter compressor, 64 millimeter turbine. This will support about 200 horsepower more than the factory turbo will. This honestly was probably the turbo that Cummins should have put in this truck from the factory, but since they didn't, we went ahead and did it ourselves. This should be coming out in the next month or two. Keep an eye out. Please follow us all on social media. These turbos will be 100% brand new. We went ahead and recast the compressor housing. We've been having some supply issues with cores, so we have completely done everything brand new in this turbo combination. Compressor housing, turbine housing, bearing housing, wheels, everything's gonna be brand new in this setup. And the best part about it, we will only use genuine whole set actuators. Those actuators will be pre-calibrated. These will be upgrades ready to bolt right on your truck.